Hi subscribers, friends, namaste, namaste, namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today's very special Gupt Sumukhi Puja, and this is the darshan of Ma Sumukhi, who's also known as Chita Chandalini. She's also known as Mahapishachini, and this is of course the boss, Mumbai Cha Raja, my beloved Uchishta Ganesh. And today is a beautiful start to a Monday. Tomorrow Guru goes Vakri. Now February, interestingly, is not that chaotic as March is, because March we have Shani Dev going into Meen Rashi after 30 years. And this is gonna be good news for people like me who are on their third charan of second charan right now actually, and we will be on our third charan of Sadhisati as Shani enters Meen. I also have my Ketu in Meen Rashi, so I'm having a reverse nodal return. I also have my Chiron in Meen Rashi. So a very sacred day to ask Uchishta Ganesh, and this is Kuberji. You can ask Kuber Devta for some financial blessings, and of course Ma Chandi Chamunda and Ma Masani Meldi, Ma Tara Miru, Baba Bhairav, Batuk and Mahadev. So this is a perfect time to do sadhana and to immerse yourself in this energy. Many blessings, of course. Don't forget darshan of Ma Lakshmi and Ma Kali. Tomorrow I have a very special announcement. Madhumavati will be here, and it is going to be so very auspicious. So receive blessings.